Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we got another install for you guys. It's going in the interior. If you missed anything on this beautiful WRX, my wife's beautiful WRX, we installed an AFD lip, front lip, and we got the M Noble fog lights with their fog light bezels and the MBR hood scoop. It really brings in this whole front end nicely, and the only thing I think I'm missing here is front grille. We're gonna get it gloss black just to match all the gloss black we have, because I think that's the parts that we're gonna do is gloss black on this car. But yeah, this is a nice looking car. Still needs some springs or coilovers and some wheels, and this car will be complete. But that's for a different time. On today's video, we are changing up the interior a bit. So today we're installing a new wheel. The new wheel we got is from AFD, and it's carbon fiber with Alcantara. As you can see, this interior is pretty bland, nothing going on. I did wrap those plastic gray things black. I do want to get real carbon fiber here. Not sure why they went with the gray carbon fiber here versus the back seats have a black carbon fiber look to it, which is probably better. They should have just stuck with that all around the car. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna swap out this boring steering wheel for a beautiful carbon fiber one. Pretty simple interior, guys. Still nice looking car. So let's go ahead and install this for her. All right guys, well here it is. It came in the day after Christmas. This was supposed to be her Christmas present, but luckily it came a day after, so it's okay. But if I would have ordered it sooner, you know, I would have got it earlier, but you know, yeah. Well, there it is, guys. Out of the thing, freaking clean. Yeah, looks freaking beautiful. Thicker. Oh yeah, I already have one on the STI and they feel very comfortable. I don't got the AFD one, but you know, almost the same thing. So let's just go ahead and remove the stock wheel and transfer over everything so we can install this wheel. But first, you want to disconnect the battery, negative. You can take off the negative, just the negative, but I like to take off the negative and the positive just in case. So now that we got the battery disconnected, let's go ahead and move on to the car. All right guys, so what you want to do is get a flathead screwdriver and find these tabs in these holes. There's 3 holes. There's one right here, one on the bottom, one on the other side to release the airbag, and then from there it reveals a bolt where you have to take it off, and then you can remove the steering wheel. Pretty easy install, nothing too crazy, guys. So I already got one. You just kind of push it in there, shove in the screwdriver, and boom, it releases it. Boom, see? And the other one. All right guys, well now that you have it popped off, just go ahead and you want to remove these 2 clips. Okay, now you just want to place this, I would say facing up. Kind of get it out of the way. Now you just unclip this one and keep that one in there. Now you just want to get them 17 millimeter breaker bar. Make sure your wheel's straight. And then you just want to break it. All right. That was easy. Kind of unscrew it to the end. Then don't unscrew it all the way. Make sure it's straight. And then just kind of pull. Oh, shit. There we go. All right, now you can unscrew the 10 millimeter bolt. And then you can pull this out without removing the airbag one. Okay, there you go. It's just all off. So now I just gotta go and take all this off. So let's go ahead and go there and swap it all over. You want to remove these two screws right here. There's one more in here. Yep. Like a little pry tool, I guess. Pry it open. Okay. Now we got that off. Now we just gotta get the controls out. This one just pops off. And there you have it. Now you just gotta get these clips off the old one. You should be good to go. Alright, now let's go ahead and reinstall all these plastic clips again, along with the Alright, now I got all the clips back on. Go ahead and pop this one back on. Let's get the controls back on here. And we are done with our steering wheel. Sheesh. Super easy install, guys. Just be careful not to break any of the plastic pieces and you'll be good. Everything just pops off. It might look like it doesn't come off, but they do pop off. This pops off and these two pop off. And you do need to get this clip that's right here. You know, unclip that in order to get this backing off. So other than that, yeah, let's just go ahead and throw it back on the car. Alright, so now you want to get your wheel, feed these cables in, and you want to put your bolt back on here. Alright, and now you just want to torque it down. Then you want to, after you're done torquing this down to 34 pounds, now you just want to plug everything back in. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Double check your horn works. Yep. Looks freaking good. What do you guys think? She's definitely gonna enjoy this. Everything works, so let me make sure everything, all the buttons work. All right, everything works, guys. Pretty simple install. All right, guys, well, there it is. Everything came out freaking clean. This steering wheel is very, very bumpy. Look at that, we got a bump right here. We're 93 notches right here. So yeah, carbon fiber right here on the bottom. Need to get a carbon fiber piece right here and some more carbon fiber, but overall, looks good. What do you guys think? This is by AFD. So if you guys want to pick one up, go for it. They look freaking clean. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this install, and I'll be back with more next year. Well, yeah, hope you enjoyed your Christmas and Happy New Year's, guys. All right, peace out.